This is the Blue Sapphire Legacy set worn by Miss Catriona Gray during the Legacy Ball. What do you think is the price of this set? This is composed of 3.54 carat of diamonds in VVS clarity with 29.36 carat of our sapphire complete set with necklace, earrings, and rings. Some other clients, akala nila 2 to 3 million to. But at the end of the video, if you think that you will spend 2 to 3 million for this, I will tell you later on kung magkano to. Actually, when you say deep blue sapphire, it is known for wisdom and royalty. At bagay na bagay talaga to sa mga strong, independent women. So if you want to exemplify wisdom and royalty, I think this is the best set for you. Like Miss Catriona Gray, she embodies the beauty of this sapphire set. And the price of this is 627,000 pesos only. So if you want more pieces like this, you can watch our live selling session at Jaina Jewels Facebook page. Or you can also book a private viewing dito sa Jaina Jewels flagship store. So this is Haina, your jewel fairy.